Yeah, hi there. These comments are for JM, and I am Michael from OTC, OnlineTOEFLCourse.com, and I'm getting ready to listen to your integrated speaking practice test. And you had a question in the email. You say, is it okay not to talk about the two reasons in the reading passage if I discuss them in the lecture? I think it's okay. The main thing is present enough information about the reading so we have some context. And then we can see how the listening passage relates to those ideas. Okay, let me go ahead and listen to your practice test now.
The reading passage explains the university's announcement, which is to create a new student lounge for students that live far away. The reason is that the university believes those students need social skills and also because they can get the benefits of the new bulletin board the university is going to create.
Okay.
In the lecture, the woman completely agrees with this idea for two reasons. First of all, she says that right now students that live in campus have the great benefits of seeing each other every single day.
Okay.
Most of the time they are in their dorms, hanging out and having a really good time. Secondly, she also believes that the bulletin board is great because the students that live off of campus can see who can give them a ride. Therefore, they can save a lot of money.
Good transition word. Okay. So I think overall that's a good response. Let's listen to it. So you're speaking pretty clearly. You can probably speed up just a little bit with your fluidity of expression. But overall, I think it's a good organization. You had a complete, accurate response. No grammar problems that I could discern, and you had good control over your word choice. So overall, delivery, language use, topic development are in pretty good shape. You do have a fairly kind of a heavy accent, right? Not to the extent that I cannot understand you though. So that's a key. I'm going to put you at 24 to 26 points out of 30 on this. I think it's possible that you could get 26. If you didn't, it might be some slight delivery issues with your response. All right? Thank you.